It's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and we're going to be doing some commercial carpet cleaning. I'm at a location that I've cleaned before, Portland Bible College. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk up to the administration office because I'm going to talk a little bit about SEO here and some of the purpose of what we're doing and why we're doing it. So I'm going to walk up the hill here just a little ways, and right around this corner here, that right there is the administration office. Now, this administration office is also indexed online, so if you looked up Portland Bible College and did a Google image search, this would be one of the first images that you would actually see as of these administration offices. Now, my point for making this is that Google recognizes and knows this particular image. So I can make a thumbnail image of the administration office for my YouTube video, and Google is going to recognize what that image is, where it's at, so it has a geolocation associated with it, and all of that stuff builds into your SEO. So that is one trick that you can do if you're doing some carpet cleaning, whether whatever service that you are providing. You can look online to see where you're working and to see what images you have, and then you can actually use some of those images that pop up for a specific location. Let's say you're doing commercial work at a mall, for instance. You can look up a mall and see what images Google actually has on record. So it will be able to identify and match your images that you take with images that it already has. So again, this administration office is identified as Portland Bible College by Google itself. So I can take a picture of this office, place it as a thumbnail image for my YouTube video, and it's just going to add more SEO value to that video. So I hope that little tip there helps you guys out a little bit, making videos and creating your own SEO, and it does help to improve your local SEO value as far as getting a red pin up on that local Google map. There are several things you can be doing, but that is one simple one that you can use just to add a little bit more value to any videos that you're currently already doing